How to put time behind wallpaper on lock screen on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, swipe down the lock screen from the top left corner of the screen. Once you're in the lock screen, tap and hold the screen. Click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Click on Photos at the top left corner of the screen. It will open up a gallery. From your gallery, select the photo that you want to set it as a wallpaper. Once you have selected, it will land you on space. Right now you can see the wallpaper is behind the time. But if you want to put time behind the wallpaper, then all you gotta do is click on this three dot icon and then select Depth Effect. And there you go. You can see that the time is behind the wallpaper. So this is simply how you can put the time behind the wallpaper on lock screen. Now you can also set it as wallpaper pair. Once you're ready, click on Done. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.